It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we are continuing working on our emergency preparedness around here. We're going to start working on our medical emergency preparedness. We kind of did some food, some products that keep stuff going around here if stuff starts going bad. But what we're going to do now is probably emphasize more on the medical end of it. I am not I don't even have any medical background, but there is a need to just being able to have some emergency stuff on hand, like having first aid kits. And I'm probably going to have a few different kinds of first aid kits, one that I'll probably put together. But I wanted to buy one that was fairly small, it was fully contained, it had everything I needed in it, within reason. I'm not doing like a surgery or anything, but I just wanted it all contained and together. And one thing I did find is if you go out and buy all those pieces to make a fairly well fit out first aid kit, it's going to cost way more than just going on Amazon and buying one put together to begin with. So I looked for the best one I could. I ordered it in and it just came in today, so we're going to open it up. So let's look. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's True North First Aid. I've never heard about them before in my life, but I looked on Amazon Canada. They seem to have them. I don't know if they're on Amazon US. So I wanted to find one that had a really nice solid package. It looked good, and it wasn't a massive space size. So this would be one that we could take if you throw in a backpack, or if you're out hunting or whatever you're doing, something that you can kind of take with you that isn't massively big, but it is actually a pretty comprehensive survival kit. I did a quick check. I haven't really researched the company, but it's actually True North Survival. So I'm kind of interested. I kind of want to take a look more at the company. But this one here is their first aid kit. So we're going to open it up, take a look what's in it. That's actually a really, really nice little kit. First, let's see what's in here. What do we got in here? Tape, some gauze, safety pins. What are these? Oh, bandages. Some Q-tips. And some more gauze. That's actually really nice, and the fact, instead of them just throwing this in there, which they could have, some of the small nitpicky things they actually put in an extra pouch, which was kind of a nice thing. It's got a glow stick. That's more of an emergency for people to see you kind of thing, which is kind of cool. They added that. Oh, they kind of doubled up a little bit. Oh, this is actually more emergency preparedness, survival kind of thing. Here, see what's in here. They got more safety pins. They've got a little compass, some Q-tips. It's actually wooden Q-tips. That's pretty cool. It's got some thread and needle, a whistle, and some more tape. You can kind of tell that they have a emergency preparedness, survival mindset, the people that made this first aid kit, because it was actually kind of nice that they added that in there. What's this thing? Oh, it's an emergency blanket. This thing is more than a first aid kit. This is like a survival kit. What's this thing? Oh, it's a triangle bandage, so it's for a bigger. Let's put this back in. And it actually has a nice mesh pocket. What do you got here? So we have, oh, I think it's those when you get blisters or something. You put that on and it covers the blisters so when you're hiking far. Like, that is actually a really cool thing to add. Something that you don't always would think of when you're putting together a emergency kit. And there's some more gauze patches. Here's a big roll of elastic gauze bandage. It's a big one and a small one. It actually has scissors to cut the gauze. A set of tweezers. I think these are alcohol wipes. Yeah, alcohol wipes. I don't know what these are. First aid. Oh, these are bandages. They have a lot of bandages in this. I think what they did is, this is like a mini first aid kit that you could take with you. There's bandages and some gauze and some tape. And it would fit in your pocket. It's cool that they actually put that with it. Abdominal pad, so if you got injured and you needed a bigger pad. Oh my goodness, so it's got like a, it's got an ice pack. You crush it and has a reaction and then it is cold, single use. This is actually a really comprehensive first aid kit. I probably didn't put that in as nice as they did. So this is a really good start to the medical end of my emergency preparedness around here. I really do see the need. We kind of worked on the food and we worked on having gardens and stuff. But there is a lot of stuff that can happen. Weather patterns are getting more and more unpredictable. It's really important to make sure that we do what we can to be prepared. I don't have a medical background, and sometimes I don't always think about, we need like first aid kits and we need stuff just for simple stuff. We're not doing like a surgery on an arm or something like that, or we just need to have the very simple products. And when I looked at it and I thought, man, that's actually a pretty good little kit. And I ordered it. It was $40 Canadian, 43 or something. And I am super happy with that. As an American, if you ordered that off of Amazon Canada, with your dollar, it'd be way cheaper than that. So it's actually very, very good value. And it is a first aid kit that is actually kind of in the view of survival. So it's kind of a cool first aid kit for sure. So this is definitely going to be a good addition to the emergency preparedness around here. So that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.